Breathtaking, high-definition videos wherever you go. The X500 compact GPS video drone is packed with features including a compact, foldable design, GPS, dual high-definition cameras with 5G HD image transmission. It is important to note there are two different propeller assemblies. Make sure to replace any broken propeller with one that is meant for the same rotational direction. To install, simply push each blade protector into the slots at the ends of each arm on the drone. Remove by pulling out. Connect the drone's battery to the USB charging cable and connect the cable to either a charger or computer to charge. The light on the USB charging cable will slowly flash when charging. The light will stop flashing once the battery is fully charged. Disconnect the battery from the charging cable and slide it back to the drone. Open the handles on the remote control to expose the charging port. Connect the charging cable to the remote control and the other end of the USB charging cable to either a charger or a computer. Switch the power on both the drone and remote control. Push the left joystick all the way forward and all the way back. The lights on the drone and remote control will stop blinking once paired. It can be manually reset by placing the drone on a level, horizontal surface and simultaneously pushing both joysticks to the lower right-hand corner for 2 to 3 seconds. Balance is recalibrated once the indicator lights stop flashing. To connect to the GPS, keep the drone on a level, horizontal plane and rotate the drone 2 to 3 turns. Once connected, the indicator light on the drone flashes. Turn the drone vertically and rotate 2 to 3 turns. Once the indicator light on the drone stops flashing and changes from orange to green, the GPS calibration is complete and you are ready for takeoff. Using your mobile device, scan the QR code on either the packaging or instruction manual to download and install the SYMA Air app. Open the settings and connect to the corresponding drone hotspot and enter the app. Flip the mobile phone mount up on the remote control. The clamp is adjustable and will slide up to hold the mobile phone firmly in place. Press the auto takeoff and landing button and the drone will slowly land and turn off the motors. Ascend. Descend. Forward. Backward. Flying left. Flying right. Left rotation. Right rotation. Press and hold the right joystick for 3 seconds to enter headless mode. The drone will always orient directional commands with a remote control as the direction standard. The low speed is the default setting when the drone is turned on. To switch to high speed, give the right joystick a short press down. Hand gesture pictures and videos. You can take a selfie or start a video by using the corresponding hand gestures. Taking pictures or videos can be achieved by either pressing the button on the remote control or the app touch button. The front camera angle can be adjusted 90 degrees to get the desired camera angle while in flight. Entering GPS Follow Me. User's mobile phone will be default as center point. Circle flight. Pick an object and the drone will circle the target, always focused on the object. Flight plan is another option for autonomous flight. Open flight plan in the app and draw a path. The drone will do the rest and fly the pattern. One key auto return. Using GPS, the drone will auto-return to the takeoff location and land on its own. When there is no GPS connection, the drone will automatically use optical flow positioning mode. Turn on the tracking function and the drone will automatically detect the target. Click on the blue circle to lock the target. The drone will automatically follow the target in real time. Enter the hand control and the drone will automatically recognize the palm of the hand in the camera. The pilot can now move their hand to direct the flight of the drone. Waypoint flight is autonomous flight made easy. Simply plot out on a map where you want a drone to fly. Press the lens switch button to change the camera view from the front camera to the bottom-facing camera. VR mode. Experience an immersive flying experience by entering the VR mode. By entering the social media sharing mode to edit, create and share photos and videos straight from the app. Powerful battery for up to 25 minutes, flight time and much more. The X500 Compact GPS Video Drone is your perfect companion for stunning aerial videos and photography. Push your creative boundaries with the X500 Compact GPS Video Drone.